guys, Zori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video with the latest by Sezane. A quick disclaimer, I do not color grade my footage. I don't edit the colors in any way and I do not use artificial lighting. I want you to get the most authentic look of the pieces because I know how frustrating it is to buy something online and then you get it and the color is off. It's not what you wanted. So be confident that this would not happen in my channel. I never color grade the videos. Sounds good? Okay, so now some of the pieces you're gonna see today I already styled on my Facebook group. If you haven't joined me on there, I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. I publish content daily and I hope to see you on there. If you enjoy watching my videos, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. And without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Starting with the Marco shorts, perfect transitional piece. You can wear them with bare feet, you can wear them with tights. I love how the zipper fly is covered with a button fly. Makes the look so much more sophisticated. The pattern is black and beige and it's really versatile. You can pair it with black tops, you can pair it with brown tops. I personally wear a lot of brown in the fall, so I'm happy to report these look lovely with brown. In terms of fit, go with your usual size. I did 34, no surprises there. And in terms of composition, we have 37% wool, 20% polyester, 18% acrylic, 12 cotton, 5% other fibers, 4% alpaca, and 4% mohair. Following up, this is the Mirta skirt. It's a silhouette we're familiar with. We've seen it in previous Sezane collections. The skirt is really light and flowy. It's made out of 100% viscose. You have a top layer that is sheer and then you have lining underneath it. The pattern is different shades of brown, flowers with little black dots in the center. In terms of fit, go with your usual size. I did 34 and there are no surprises there. I think so far this is my absolute favorite skirt for the fall by Sezane. This here is the Mirta Blouse. It's the same pattern as the Mirta skirt. It's made out of 100% viscose. It has a lot of movement. It's very light. However, it is see-through and it is not lined. The way I go around that is by wearing a body color tank top. I use these really great tank tops by Uniqlo. I'm gonna link them in the description of the video, but by wearing them it really gives the illusion that the top is lined. There's nothing to worry about. I personally like semi-transparent tops like these. The sheerness adds depth to the silhouette and it's just more romantic. I also find this particular pattern to be so fun. I can wear it with the Mirta skirt for a dress look, or I can wear it with jeans for a fun casual everyday look. Next up, I have the Austin pants. I really love them. They're not my first pair. I have the green covered ones and they're really comfortable pants for every day. They're made out of 98% cotton and 2% elastin. I don't think you need to size up or down. I went with my usual size 34. The fit is consistent with other Sezane bottoms. The pants have great deep pockets. They come with like a tie waist belt, but I like replacing it with an Artemis belt. This is the color, coming up close. It's kind of like a mustard, like a deep mustard, which I think for fall is a great versatile color. Altogether, definitely a keeper. This here is the Jade Skirt. A lot of controversy around this skirt. Let me show you a close-up of the pattern before I show you the try-on. This is how the pattern looks like. Daylight, no editing. What I want to say about the background is a blue color that has turquoise in it. So it depends what you style it with. It really kind of like changes the overall look. If you put a turquoise sweater like the patty, the way Sezane styled it on the website, then the overall appearance of the outfit is on the turquoise side. And then if you pair it with a blue Leon like the one that I'm wearing right now, then you get more of a blue experience. Altogether, I personally like this pattern. I find it very romantic. It gives me British tea time vibes. However, I don't find it particularly fall. I think this is more like spring and summer, and the weight of this material is 100% viscose, and the weight of it is, it's more of like a warmer season, I think. Warmer fall as well, but also spring and summer. And I already sent back the other colorway of the jade. If you watched my previous video, I tried that first and I really liked it. It's really fall. But then I saw this and I was like, oh, this is really unique, I'm gonna take this. And now I'm really torn because I kind of really wanted to go deep into the warm fall vibes, and getting this, I don't know, it's different, so I have to think about it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you like it? Are you disappointed in comparison to how it looks on the website? I want to know. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Which pieces were your favorite? Did you shop this drop? Are you waiting for anything in particular? I want to know. If you enjoy watching, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.